Hi, welcome, it's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and I will show you a quick way how to add an image behind this text so it can serve us as a background image. It's very simple to do it, just follow these steps. So to do that, go to Insert, go to Image and upload from a computer, for example. I will upload this image. And we have a problem. If we want to move the image, we can't move because the image right now behaves as a text. Now click on the image and you can see these options down: wrap text, break text and behind text. Click this behind text and it will be behind. Now use these handles to increase the size of the image and position image where you want. And now we want this to cover the whole page, and we have a problem. We can't move this on top of the page. So to do that, click on the image and click over here on the right side. Even you see the image options, you can all image options, you can access it over here, and click position and click fix position on page. We can move this image on top of our document. And now all you need to do is to select the text like this and change it to be white so we can read it. And this is it in under 2 minutes. I hope this was helpful to you. If it is, drop some comments, share this, like this, and see you in some other tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.